Hi guys, this is my last one on variables for now, and the next simple variable that we are going to be dealing with is a string. I'm going to create empty, call this v script 3 var string, okay, whatever. We have components, script machine, new v scripts, and I'll just call it variables test 3. Whack that update methods, start, and we have already dealt with strings, but we dealt with string literals, and the way you create a string variables, simple. Let's just call this message, any type of message that you want to display, and string, and okay, this is a test string. Okay, I'm going to drag that in, and just as before, I'm going to take that to print. And in this case, we don't have to go and concatenate anything. We can just print out this message as is, so nice and simple. Let's see, that should display in the console. And this is a test string, great. Okay, now C#. It's just as easy. Create C# script and variables test 3. Just open that up. So you have Visual Studio. And it didn't open. Okay, there we go. I don't need update in this case. And I'm going to print out message. And in this case, I don't need double quotes because I'm printing out the variable message, which I have not even created yet. So semicolon at the end. You'll see it's red and underlined, which means there's an error. And the error says the name message does not exist in the current context, which means it's looking for a variable which isn't there. So string message equals, and because this is a string, it needs to be in double quotes, and I'll say this is another test message, semicolon at the end. Remember to have your code neat and just put spacing wherever you need it. Okay, let's test this out. I'm going to get rid of this, create empty, and C#3. Is this the one? Yes, it is. Let's drag it on there, press play. This is another test message. Okay, great. I think in this case, they were both equally easy because this was a very simple example. As soon as we start concatenating things, then it's going to be like the previous examples, and C# is going to be the clear winner. Until my next video, enjoy.